What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode, and today we got to talk about the fact that XRP has just hit its price call that we were expecting to happen, and it finally did. We hit a high for this year, which is doing incredibly well. You can see where we've now kind of finished completing our bull flag formation here. We've pretty much come to a top, and this is where things are going to get a bit spicy for us here on the channel, where we're going to have to decide whether or not we buy in or short. Now, we've taken advantage of this long position. We've gone over this countless times here, that this is a very easy, price to predict here. We saw where we were. We knew that we would be breaking out. I mean, there were so many candles showing that we would be completing this bull flag formation here, and now we're at a time where we could be either entering a major breakout or going to be consolidating lower. Regardless, we've still made a ton of profit off this. You can see we've been tracking a massive, and I mean a monstrous bull flag formation here. Started back in November, and you can see just recently we were kind of channeling this lower high, lower low pattern. And we discussed that the second we break through and close above this resistance here on the daily, we would be moving up to our target price right at moving average, and that is exactly what we did. We hit it right on the head. And you can also see we talked about when that breakout would come would be with this beautiful descending triangle here. You can see the lower high, lower low movements here. We discussed that once we confirm breaking through this yellow downtrend here, we would expect to see a rally to the upside here. We've talked about this day in and day out many of times now here. I mean, I could pull up a video. We could just go back. I don't even know where to go here because we've been tracking this kind of bull flag for so long now here. I mean, maybe we'll pull up this video. We'll see what exactly happens here as this loads in. You can see, yeah, right here, where we've kind of been tracking this bull flag breakout to be happening. This is a video that we made literally 3 weeks ago. How much more on the dot can we be? I don't know. What more do you need me to say? The fact is, we had a beautiful bull flag formation here, filling in the gap, lower high, lower lows. We saw the downtrend. We said once we confirm breakout, we're going to be swinging back up to retest moving average, and that is exactly what we did here. So enough about what did happen. We need to talk about what's going to happen in the very near future with XRP. We're also going to be looking at Solana today as it hit its price target that we've also called. Ethereum exploding to the upside. It's almost like, how do we even get in? Bitcoin, we've made some minor adjustments too. I'm going to have to go over that in a minute with you. And then the S&P just rallying back up to all-time highs. So I'm very excited to see where we plan on moving to within this, within the S&P 500 and crypto overall here. So with that being said, definitely smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's jump right into today's episode. So guys, super quick before we dive into the technical analysis, just so you guys know, BitFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange, is offering $100 in free cryptocurrency by literally completing your first deposit and a trade. You can either sign up down in the description below or literally just scan the QR code you see on your screen if you're on a computer or whatever it is that you want to do. But make sure to go claim your free cryptocurrency right now. But moving forward and diving into the technical analysis, you guys can see markets have exploded. I mean, we're at 1.96 trillion, up 76 on the Fear and Greed Index. You can see right here, overall, last 7 days is doing incredibly well. 9% for Bitcoin, 12.6% Ethereum. It's a lot. XRP is catching up, 8.5%. Cardano, 11.6%. I mean, every crypto is just doing astronomically well, and it's very exciting to see the results, the fruit of our trade here. So it's nice to see this movement to the upside. We've been tracking this. We've been talking about the bullish rally for God knows how long. I mean, it has been so long that we've been predicting this rally to the upside to take place, and we're finally starting to see that movement, which is very exciting if you ask me, just across the board on all the cryptos here. But diving into the technical analysis, looking at XRP, this is a major milestone for us. We've talked about this constantly here. We've said if I jump to the weekly, we are trending in a bull flag formation. XRP has historically had bull flag formations consistently here. Whether you guys want to be bearish or not, we have seen consistent bull flag formations on these cryptos constantly, or on XRP constantly, literally since the beginning of 2023. We have mapped out 4 completed bull flags, 1 currently on the rise. You can see filling in the gap, breakout, boom to the upside. Filling in the gap yet again on number 2, breakout. Here we go again, filling in the gap, breakout. Number 4, filling in the gap, breakout to the upside. And here we are with number 5 now, completing this here. we look good. We look great. And there's a very high chance we are going to be breaking through this in the very near future as we talk about this here. We're trading at 50 on the RSI for the weekly charts. Plenty of room to head up higher. However, we are nearing overbought on the daily. That's where things can become a little bit problematic here. If you're already in on this, since we did discuss the fact that this would ideally lead us to a rally to the upside here, and when we broke through this downtrend, that would also lead us to a rally. There was a good chance that we'd be able to capitalize on that right over here, and there's a good chance we could capitalize on this run to the upside here. And you can see now, after this breakout, if you're already in, just move that stop loss up, because there's a chance we could start to reject. A lot of these cryptos are just veering and screaming overbought. I mean, we have Bitcoin on the 4-hour overbought, Ethereum extremely overbought on the daily, trading at 76 on the RSI, Solana a little bit lower, trading at about 861, but retesting and apparently rejecting its top price ceiling here, but there's a good chance we'll fill this in and we'll break through it. However, we're also overextended, so there's also that chance of correction to the downside. However, you can see historically we've been trending above it for quite some time. So lots of things are up in the air right now, and that's why it doesn't make sense to sell your positions just yet. Put that stop loss down just in case and get ready for a potential buy-in for a long to the upside here. However, for those that maybe haven't already bought in, is it too late? No, I don't think so. The goal that we're waiting for here is closure of a daily candle. It's tough. There's a lot of resistances that would cause reversals here. You can see we have the yellow resistance here. You can also see we have a red moving average. You can also see we have a price ceiling. So there's 3 variables all at once happening all at the same time. And we've definitely wicked above it in the past. We haven't closed a daily, so you could take a risk. So theoretically, if we close above here, you could buy in. It's going to be more aggressive, or you can just wait for us to clear this price ceiling. We break above 59 cents and it's pretty much game on, and then there's a good chance we'll spiral higher. I'm almost confident, like 90% confident, we are going to continue to travel up. It's not going to be a straight breakout like we had before to the upside. It's possible, but more so what I'm expecting to see is kind of movements like this where we can healthy correct and then continue to spiral higher here. I'm excited to see the results of this. I do think we're going to be continuing to move up. So we kind of just have to wait on this and see what exactly is going to happen here. But if we can confirm closure above price ceiling here, that's an opportunity to buy in if you haven't already and long it to the upside for a long-term hold. Because long-term, from the February 24th to like April, we will see movements to the upside. We will continue to press higher. Now, obviously, we take advantage of all these trades on BidFi, my number one favorite cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I highly recommend you take advantage of. I mean, a trade on XRP, it could literally be tomorrow. Granted, today is Friday, so we're going to have probably some stagnant weekend movement here. But once we open back up come Monday, there's a very good chance if we can close above this, that we're going to start to drift higher. And you'll be able to capitalize on that by using, BidFi to leverage trade. Literally click XRP and you can leverage trade it. You can even use the free $100. You can 10x it using 10x leverage. You'd be trading around with $1,000 here, and it's that simple. So make sure to check out BidFi. Sign up in the description down below. What's super cool, they also have welcome rewards and a demo trading account. You can see kind of how we've had XRP kind of marked that on the 6 hour. We are in what appears to be kind of this descending fractal here. We are retesting a bit of resistance, but we finally caught up to that top. And that's kind of the main focal point here. Jumping to the daily, you can see what it is that we're looking at here. You can see the bull flag. It is textbook. I don't care what you guys say, and I'm inviting you to comment down below to continue to move on here, but it is textbook breakout, and it is going to happen very soon. I'm excited to see that. Obviously, if you do sign up, you can get up to 2,000 or over 2,000 rewards by signing up with that link down in the description, clicking welcome rewards, and they also give you 50K when you sign up in Monopoly Money to test your skills on their demo account. You can trade around, practice your skills, and when you're ready, switch on over to trading live cryptocurrency, which is awesome too. But moving forward from XRP, which looks incredibly well if you ask me, looking at Solana here, we're hitting a bit of turbulence. I'm almost starting to discover a potential double top. Check this out. Who has noticed this? There's a good chance this could be a double top, and rejection could form off this for a correction to the downside. We have broken out of our bull flag already. I mean, we've hit the target. We've exploded to the upside here. This is the price target that we were expecting to hit, and we've done just that. Now we're retesting, got rejected off that, becoming overbought, and you can see now there's a good chance we're starting to form what could be a double top formation. So consider that as we invest and move forward into here, that there is a chance we could reject. However, there's also a chance we could continue to climb. It's simply put, if we start to trend below this, there's a chance we could get in for a short. But if we break through this, there's a good chance for a long. It just really depends on where we start to trend out. Ethereum, I'm not even touching. It's just way too overbought. And then Bitcoin. Originally, we had drawn on the hourly an extremely small short-term correction to the downside here. However, as I've extended out, looking at the 4-hour, I'm starting to notice maybe some sort of ascending triangle here. Like if I draw a horizontal line right at the top here, not what I wanted to do. Horizontal line, where are you? Just like this. Delete this yellow resistance here. You can almost see it's like we're forming some sort of uptrend, some sort of ascending triangle is in the cahoots right now. It does not want to break through 52K. And we're also overbought on the 4-hour. Let's see how we look on the daily. Extremely overextended. Geez, 82 on the RSI here. There's a chance we're not going to head higher. I mean, I don't know. Of something like this, it's almost like FOMO. Like if you didn't get in around here, the likelihood of calling when the dump to the downside is very slim. And we are way overextended and extremely overbought that at some point we are going to dip. Coming right back down, crash landing as we always done to this moving average right here, and it's going to open up massive short opportunities. So just consider that as you start to get in on here. You don't want to FOMO in on something like this. Consider the fact that a good short is in the works very soon, and that could be a huge buying opportunity. Now, as for the S&P 500, I would also gather probably some more consolidation, but I think we're just going to continue to head higher. We've been doing it for I don't even know how long. We've been literally floating at, 4,700 points. Now we're at the same RSI and we're at 5,050. So we're just going to continue to pump like that. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.